Hello and welcome to Craft with Sarah. I have an exciting announcement for you, and that is that I have teamed up with Brandi from Stamp Me Some Love to come up with a very special card making class for Christmas. If you're looking for a standout Christmas card to send to your loved ones this festive season, look no further. I have exactly what you need. Although, in fact, you could use it for any time of the year, but I think this Christmas in 2020, things have been very disrupted this year, and you may not have seen your loved ones as often as you like, and it might even be that perhaps you're not going to see them at Christmas like you normally would. So when I spoke to Brandi about what I could make for this class, I really wanted to think of something super special that you can send your loved ones this Christmas, and I came up with the marvellous mini album scrapbook card. So this is a very special card that you can add photos of your family to, so that when you send it and someone opens it, they get a whole scrapbook of love which they can open and enjoy for Christmas and all year round. In fact, this card is so big and special that it has to come in its very own presentation box. So here is the box that we'll make as part of this class, and you see it's got this belly band on it which slides up and down, and if we just slide it off the top, then we can open the box and see what's inside. So here is the mini album card, and you can see on the front we have this poinsettia flower decoupage topper, and that is included in this course, so you'll be able to get the principle for that. And then I include the instructions on how to make and assemble the rest of the card front. So let's see how this opens up. If I open up the front, you can see inside you've got these two panels here, and where I've got white rectangles, that's where you'll be putting your photographs. So even just that is a lovely, lovely selection of photos. But I can open this up even more. So let's just open up this side too. And then let's try and get it on the camera. There's even more photographs. And then in the middle, you've got this panel with another poinsettia decoupage, which again is included. And you might be thinking that is all, but oh no, there is still so much more to this card. So if I pull out the accordion at the front, you can see just how much there is inside this card. So this is all double-sided, and there's place to add your photos, and then I've also included some little pockets which I've put some scratch cards in, but you could put whatever you want in there. The very back panel is where you'll write your message, and this pulls out. So you can write your message on there and then slot it back into the panel at the back. This card also includes two little hidden panels. So you can see one of them here, and if I just open it up, you can see when that's open up, you can hide a photo in there or a little message or whatever you want to put inside, and then it all folds up to collapse in on itself again. And there's one of those, a matching one, on the other side of the accordion. So the accordion all folds in to fit inside the card. And then there are two different ways of displaying this on a shelf. So you can either display it like this, so the sides will come out and then the accordion will pop out and you'll be able to see all of that as it's open. Or if you don't have that much room, this bit will fold in, and then you can just display it like a normal card to see the front of the design. So as you can see, there are so many things going on this card. It really is something truly special to send this Christmas. And in this course, you'll learn how to make every single part of it, including how to do all of the decorations. So I really hope you enjoy making this card with me, and if you've got any questions, then you can ask them in the Stamp Me Some Love Facebook group, which is just for purchasers of any of the courses in the Academy. So if you'd like to know how to make your very own marvellous mini album card, check out the link in the description of this video to find out where you can sign up to the class. I really hope you enjoy making this card with me, and I look forward to seeing you inside the Academy very soon. Thank you for watching.